Hi guys, Happy New Year! We are kicking off the new year by putting away all of the Christmas decor and doing some cleaning. It's always nice to put everything away and get rid of all of the glitter and snow that seems to cover every surface. I enjoy the after and it is a lot of work to put it all away, but hopefully this motivates you if you haven't put yours away yet. I know some of you have traditions for certain days that you put your Christmas decor away. So when you're ready, I hope this motivates you. And if you've already put your Christmas decor away, well, you can just sit back and relax and watch me do all the work, or maybe this will motivate you to get some things done in your home. thought I would show you how I have my ornaments. So these are all unbreakable things and I just put them all in there. These are larger ornaments. And then in the bag, I have some that are breakable and I just wrap those with whatever. I have lunch bags, I have newspaper, I have packaging from things that I was sent. I try to reuse as much as I can. I didn't reuse the lunch bags though, those were clean. And I also keep the packaging from ornaments when I purchase them because obviously those have been in stores and shipped around and moved around and the ornaments are great in there, so I just reuse them. And then I put my tree skirt right on top and put these in the basement. I used command hooks to hang this sign above my stove. I was looking for another sign to put up there that isn't Christmassy. I haven't found one yet. I've only looked a few places, but I'll know it when I see it. It's always fun to decorate your home after the holidays and kind of switch things around a little bit. So I probably will add some decor. I just haven't purchased anything new yet. I wanted my entryway table to be wintry but not Christmassy, so that's why I keep moving things around. It always takes me lots of moving around, and then sometimes the next day I decide I don't quite like it that way and I'll play around with it a little more, or decide I need to purchase something. But I was trying to use what I have, and I did a lot of playing around. I love these snowflakes. They are part of my Christmas decor, but I figured they could stay since they are wintry and not really Christmassy. They're from Kirkland's, by the way. I don't know if they still have them because they were out with the Christmas decor, and I was just there and I didn't see them, but maybe you could find them online. I got asked about them a lot on Instagram and on my Christmas decor tour, so they are from Kirkland's. Alright guys, although I have my light set up and it does look nice and bright, it was getting dark and I was getting really hungry, and we don't want hangry Jen. It took a while for John and I to get the tree put away and taken downstairs and everything, and then I made dinner and we had to clean that up, and by that time it was really dark, and trying to move lots of lights and a camera around while you're washing the floor is not exactly fun after you've been putting away Christmas decor. So I did that after dinner and didn't record it, but everything is nice and clean. It's vacuumed, the floors are dusted and washed, and this is my table. I wasn't sure if those trees were Christmassy, but they're white and wintry, and I think they look really pretty with everything else, so I decided to leave them out. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it motivating, and I will see you in my next one. Have a wonderful day, guys.